Welcome, today in front of me Samsung B2710, and I'll show you how to find and manage sound settings on this device. So first you should just go to the menu and then go into the settings. Just tap here and find here the sounds profiles. Now just tap here to this center button. Now we got here the normal sound. We can change it to the sound, driving, meeting, outdoor, offline, to the profile. Also we can edit. We can set up here the vibration. We can just select here vibration, then the melody when someone will call to you. Just melody, just vibration, increasing the melody, just to mood. So, and then just to save the changes. Also we get here the ringtone sound. Also the video, for video call ringtone we can change that. We can also set the for our messages sounds, the keypad sound we can change to the beep, or to just to mute our keypad, or switch it to the lucid again. Also we got here the volume button for our calls, messages, keypad tones, and just we can save or cancel the changes. So that's how it looks. Thank you guys for watching, and if you find this video helpful, remember to leave a like, comment, and to subscribe our channel.